Hey.
What are you watching?
Joan of Arc.
Oh, wow. I haven't seen that in forever. What was that one movie? I swear, we watched it like every other movie night just because I wanted to. It was like Air Bud or Babe or something like that.
Pig in the City.
What?
It was the second one.
Oh, okay. Dude, my co-teacher, she is on my last nerve. So before, we used to only have like 10, 11 kids, which is normal and that's great and it was wonderful at the time. But now we have like 22 kids. That's way more and she is no help. All she's been doing lately is literally hovering over these two kids because they're twins and yes, they fight all the time but you know, that's besides the point. Like, they're brothers. Of course they're gonna fight, you know? And even every time we, like, tell their parents, like, oh, they had an argument, or they were doing this, or they're like, sorry. Like, they don't really care that they're fighting. It's more like they feel bad for us, right? But she's literally just standing over them all day long because she doesn't...
a drink?
No, I'm okay, but can you give me a fork? But anyway, like, my co-teacher, she just doesn't want them to fight and argue, and I'm like, okay, they're brothers. Like, it's inevitable. It's going to happen. Like, give them some space. These poor kids. Like, the best we can do is separate them. Like, say, one of you go to the block area. One of you go to the reading area. But she just hovers over them. It's like, I would get nervous. Like, wouldn't you? I don't know. It's just ridiculous. Like, give them room. And, yeah, boys will be boys. But, like, all we can do is our best to, like, separate them. And that's it. I don't know. I just feel like she needs to give them some space. Oh. Alex just texted. She wants to know if we want to do something tonight. Would you be able to go?
Sounds like fun, but I really need to get this project done for work. It's just, this is all I can think about, and I just want to get it over with.
I mean, I get that. I just feel like you've been working so much lately. I think you deserve to have some fun, too.
Yeah, no, it's not that. It's just that even if I do go, this is all I'll be thinking about, and I don't want to think about this anymore. I just want to get it over with.
No, yeah. That's tough, but I get it.